Let us take some board questions. The question is 2013 board question. Solve the following in equation. Write the solution set and represent it on the number line. Let us begin. Unlike the older problem where you were having only one part to tackle, this time you are having one more part extra. The idea would be tackling these two as an independent question and then tackling the second and the third part as a separate question. Some students solve both back to simultaneously, or just on the left side they mention this and on the right side of the same page they solve this. Let's do that way. Let's write minus x upon 3 is less than equal to x upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 6. Therefore, minus x upon 3 is less than equal to x upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, and x by 2 minus 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 6. So we have broken question in two parts. Therefore, minus x upon 3 is less than equal to x upon 2 minus, this is a mixed fraction, 3 into 1, 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 will become 4 upon 3. Some students make an error here. Let's be careful. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. And x by 2 similarly is minus 4 by 3 is less than 1 upon 6. As usual, let us see the denominator. 3, 2 and 3. So LCM is 6. So we can write multiply by 6. So if you multiply by 6, let's multiply every term by 6. It becomes minus x upon 3 into 6 is less than equal to x upon 2 into 6 minus 4 upon 3 into 6. Again LCM for the second part is also 6. We can continue multiplying by 6. As you know, 2 and 3 happen to be factor with 6. So LCM is 6. Minus 4 upon 3 into 6 is less than 1 upon 6 into 6. On cancellation, you will get minus 2x is less than equal to 2 ones are 2 3s are 3x minus 3 ones are 3 2s are 8 will remain here. And similarly, let us cancel 2 with 6 as 3s are minus again 4 2s are 8 is less than 1. As usual, let's keep x terms on the left hand side. Therefore, minus 2x minus 3x is less than equal to minus 8, and 3x is less than 1 plus 8 minus 8 on the other side. Therefore, minus 5x is less than equal to minus 8. Let us divide by minus 5. See, it's in the product form here, so if it comes on the right hand side, it will get divided. Therefore, x is, be careful, you have to change the inequality sign to greater than equal to minus 8 upon minus 5, and here it is 3x less than 9. This gives you, therefore x is greater than or equal to 8 by 5 can be written as 1.6, and here when you divide by 3, 9 upon 3 is 3. There will be no change of sign in this case as 3 is positive. Now our job is to accumulate. ये and लिखा है, मतलब ये and ये एक साथ merge करके लिखना है समझाने के लिए. This is just a rough work. Say this is 1.6 and this is 3. You want less than 3 region, so that is this. You want greater than 1.6 region, that is this. So the common region is this region from 1.6 to 3. So we will write every time. You don't need to draw that rough work, that is understandable. Write x in between, write the lower number here and write the larger number here, 1.6 and then 3, and then carefully place the signs. As you know, x is greater than equal to 1.6. This way of writing also implies x is still greater than equal to 1.6. And here x is less than 3. Let's continue writing that. If you observe the question, they have stated, this is a board question, and represent it on the number line. And यहाँ लिखा है x is belonging to R. तो हमारा सबसे पहले क्या लिखना चाहिए हमें? Solution set. Whenever you are writing solution set and when x is belonging to R, समझ जाना कि आपको set builder form में ही लिखना पड़ेगा. मतलब writing this as it is, write comma x belongs to R. We can't list the elements like rooster method. क्यों? क्योंकि फिर तो infinite points है. कैसे लिखोगे infinite points? तो आपको inequality sign के help से ही लिखना. Let us now also make the number line. This you can make neatly. Use always scale. Use a little darker pencil. And let's mark the points. ये 0 ले लेते हैं. 1 है, 2, 3, 4. चलो एक नेगेटिव भी ले लेते हैं. Now x is 1.6. 1.6 may be roughly here, a little after the middle value, and then less than 3. So 3 is here. You can keep a gap of 1 centimeters between every number. So if you have 1.6, then you can easily take 1.6. Just take 6 millimeters here. X is between these two. So take scale again and highlight by redrawing this region, reshading it or re-darkening it. And 1.6 is included as you have equality sign here. So make a more darker circle here. And 3 is not included as there is no equality here. So make a empty circle. Right here 1.6 as it was not clearly seen on the number line, but 3 is already here. This is your answer. This gives you 3 marks. One more thing. Some children can also express this 8 upon 5 as in mix from 8 upon 5 on division is quotient is 1, remainder is 3. So 1 3 upon 5 भी लिख सकते थे, या फिर 1.6 लिख दो. Whatever is comfortable. Whatever is comfortable to you. Let us take up one more board question. Let us this time take a question on say whole numbers, so that सारे खाली रियल के ना करें हम लोग, एक अलग लेते हैं. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. 2014. Find the values of x for which the inequation this x belongs to w whole numbers, and you also have to graph the solution on the number line. ठीक है, I think ये आप लोग का भी concepts अच्छे ही है. तो let's solve this together. Let us write minus 2 5 upon 6 less than 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 2. फिर क्या बात किया था हमने? We will break the question in solution in 2 parts. therefore minus 2 5 upon 6 is less than 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3. क्या हो गया, हाँ, minus 2x upon 3 and 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 2. Minus भारी है, let it be there. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 5, I'm repeating, 2 6 are 12 plus 5 is 17 upon 6. Some children make an error of minus 2 into 6, they think minus 12 and then they add 5. It will be an incorrect one. Keep minus aloof aside and tackle this first. Is less than 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 and this is as it is. Okay, just rewriting it to maintain that symmetry. Clearly LCM is 6 like the previous problem, so let's multiply by 6. Let's multiply by 6. So when you multiply every term with 6, you will get minus 17 upon 6 into 6 is less than 1 upon 2 into 6 minus 2x upon 3 into 6, and here also LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 1 upon 2 into 6 minus 2x upon 3 into 6 is less than or equal to 2 into 6. Therefore, we get minus 17 is less than 3 minus 3 ones are 3 twos are is 4x, and half and 6 will become 3 minus 3 ones are 3 twos are will again become 4x less than or equal to 12. Therefore 4x, if minus 4x is brought on that side, is less than 3 plus 17, and here minus 4x is less than equal to 12 minus 3. Therefore 4x is less than 20, and here minus 4x is less than or equal to 9. Let us divide by 4. Therefore x is less than 20 upon 4. Be careful, you will have to divide with minus 4 to get x. When you divide with a negative number, your inequality sign will change to opposite, 9 upon minus 4. Therefore x is less than 5 and x is greater than, let's keep minus up, 9 upon 4 is 2.25, or you can write in mixed fraction form as 2 1 upon 4. Let us accumulate the two results. The idea is mention x in between, write the lower number on the left side, minus 2.25, mention positive or the greater number on the right. Think, observe, if you're convinced only then put the sign. Is x greater than equal to minus 2.25? Yes, so we will put greater than equal to sign here. Is x less than 5? Yes, so now we are convinced with this. We can now mention the solution set, which is as good as almost rewriting this only, but you will put a curly bracket. You will write minus 2.25 is less than equal to x is less than 5 comma x belongs to R. No, sorry, यहाँ क्या लिखा था, x belongs to क्या लिखा है, W लिखा था, करेक्ट. तो सोल्यूशन सेट में क्या आएगा, मिस्टेक नहीं करते, रियल नंबर अज्यूम नहीं करना. सी द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन वाज x belongs to W. अगर W है तो होल नंबर है, तो होल नंबर 0 से शुरू होता है, तो नेगेटिव तो हो नहीं सकते. तो कौन से नंबर्स आएंगे, 0 1 2 3 4. will 5 come? No, 5 will not appear as it is not equal to here. आगे के तो स्कोप ही नहीं है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रूस्टर मेथड. हमने लिस्ट किए सारे एलिमेंट्स, ठीक है. वैसे वो नाम से आपको अभी वो 9th 8th में होगा, अभी 10th में ऐसा कुछ यूज़ नहीं करना, बस एक नंबर लाइन बना देनी है. Let us mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is advisable that you take 1 centimeter gap so that it looks uniform. And now mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will make filled circles over those elements, and this is your answer. This is your final answer for the number line. So a dark straight line will not come. That comes only when x belongs to real numbers. ठीक है. So this was 2014 question. एक और करता है. Let's take 2018 question. ठीक है. तो एक होल नंबर का करा दिया, एक इसके पहले इंटीजर्स का करा दिया. Let us take one of, इसके पहले रियल नंबर का कराया. Let's take one of integer type. Question है, solve the following inequation, write the solution set and represent it on the number line. यहाँ पे कोई फ्रैक्शन नहीं दिख रहा है, दिखने में तो इजी दिख रहा है क्वेश्चन. x बिलोंग्स टू z लिखा है. z का मतलब होता है इंटीजर्स. i भी लिख सकते थे यहाँ, z हो या i हो. चलो दिखने में तो इजी था. So we can write -2 plus 10x is less than equal to 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. Let's break this into two parts. So this implies -2 plus 10x transforming to less than equal to 13x plus 10 and 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. Therefore 10x minus 13x is less than equal to 10 plus 2 and 13x minus 10x is less than 24 minus 10. So this is minus 3x is less than or equal to 12, and here you have 3x less than 14. Let's divide by -3. Let's divide by -3. Therefore x becomes greater than or equal to 12 upon -3. Sign will change to opposite, and here you can divide by 3. No change of sign. X less than 14. 14 upon 3. Therefore x is greater than or equal to -4 and x is less than. अच्छा, इसका डिविजन करोगे तो वो डेसिमल रिकरिंग दिखेगा, तो बेटर है चलो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में लिखते हैं इसको. 4 2/3, रिमाइंडर 2 होगा. How do you express both together? We have tried explaining to you. Write x, write the smaller value on the left, the greater on the right, and put by thinking the inequality sign here. Less than -4 is less than equal to x है, क्योंकि यहाँ x greater than equal to -4 है. And continue writing x less than 4 2/3. Let's write solution set. As your x is belonging to z, which is set of integers, integers can be negative, 0, positive. So will -4 be included? Yes. Next integer will be -3, then -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Will 4 come up here? Yes. Will 5 come? No, because you want x to be lesser than 4 2/3. 5 will be greater. बस यही आपका आंसर. Let us write, or let us make quickly a number line. when you make a number line, there are many elements seen here, so थोड़ा planning से बना देना. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us mark -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right, this is your answer. This is your answer. So these type of questions are there in board exams. We have just completed a question of 2018. Right, let's take one more. Let's take one more board question. Let's take the recent one. Let us take a recent one. Let us take a question of 2020. So you have to solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. ये less than equal to लिखा है. ठीक है, just one second. ठीक है. Less than ये x belongs to R लिखा है. Let's take down this question. So 3/5x plus 2 is less than x plus 4 is less than equal to x/2 plus 5. Here it's not printed properly. Less than or equal to is there. Let's continue. So we have 3/5x plus 2 is less than x plus 4 and x plus 4 is less than equal to x/2 plus 5. Let us bring x term on the left hand side. So 3/5x minus x is less than 4 minus 2 and say x minus x/2 is less than equal to 5 minus 4. 4 has gone on the right hand side. X by 2 has come here. We can multiply by 5. We can multiply by 5. As 5 is the only term in the denominator. So it will become multiply by 5. 3/5x into 5 minus x into 5 is less than 4 minus 2 is 2 into 5. And here let's multiply by 2. So x into 2 minus x/2 into 2 is less than equal to 5 minus 4 is 1 into 2. There are many ways to do this. We have followed one trend of taking LCM and multiplying. That's why we are continuing that. 5 has got cut. This becomes 3x minus 5x is less than 10. And यहाँ क्या होगा? 2x minus x is less than or equal to 2. This gives you minus 2x as less than 10 and x less than equal to 2. Very similar problems are there. Not much variety is there. Let's divide by minus 2. Let's divide by minus 2. Therefore x is less than 10 upon minus 2. And here it's rewritten. Therefore x is less than minus 5. Oh, we made a mistake by not changing the inequality sign here. let's change, because you are dividing with minus. Therefore let's write x in between, write the smaller value here, write the greater value here, realize x is greater than minus 5, so this way is looking correct, and x is less than or equal to 2. It was said x belongs to real number, so we can write the solution set. Solution set will be rewriting this minus 5 is less than x is less than equal to 2, x belongs to R. Let us make a number line. Let us make a number line. Okay. And let's do this. This time we can do faster. We have done many problems of this. Okay, this number line is not looking very good. Now you are used to it. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 1 0 0 1 2 से एक और यहाँ लिख दिया. So you have minus 5 to 2. This time we can make a darker line directly from minus 5 to 2, not including minus 5. So make a empty circle, and here make a filled circle. Right. So these type of questions are commonly seen in board exam. Let us do one more, the last one. So in boards, if you have seen the trend, a very repetitive type has been coming for last many years. या तो रियल नंबर हो सकता है, या होल नंबर, या इंटीजर, या नेचुरल नंबर. बस खाली रियल होगा तो याद रखना कि you will get a straight dark line. Let us take one last problem. There is a certain trend sometimes to solve problems of intersection type. Like there will be two situations and you have to get the intersection of it. I'll tell you what it is. Let us take a question. Say the question is, so P is the solution set of 7x minus 2 greater than 4x plus 1, and Q is the solution set of this inequation where x belongs to R. Represent P intersection Q, P minus Q complement dash matlab complement on different number lines. Here you are seeing the emphasis is not more on the difficulty of this inequation, it is more on whether the child can get the intersection rightly or not. Let us take the first one. 7x minus 2 is greater than 4x plus 1. Therefore 7x minus 4x is greater than 1 plus 2. Therefore 3x is greater than 3. Therefore x is greater than 1. Divide by 3 कर दिया. Let us solve 9x minus 45 is greater than equal to 5x minus 5. Therefore 9x minus 45 is greater than equal to 5x minus 25. Therefore 9x minus 5x is greater than equal to minus 25 plus 45. Therefore 4x greater than or equal to 20. Let's divide by 4. So x is greater than or equal to 5. x is belonging to real number. So talking about p set, which is the solution for x greater than 1 comma x belonging to real numbers, right? And q is the solution set for the second part, x greater than equal to 5, x belongs to R. Now our job is to express the first one. First question is P intersection Q. This symbol is read as intersection. Intersection means common elements. कॉमन एलिमेंट्स लिखना है. ये एलिमेंट्स लिखा, ठीक है. तो क्या करते हैं, एक नंबर लाइन पहले बना लेते हैं. ठीक है, पहले एक काम करते हैं, सोल्यूशन सेट लिख लेते हैं, देन लेट्स मेक नंबर लाइन, थोड़ा इजी पड़ेगा. x 1 से बड़ा है, x 5 से भी बड़ा होना चाहिए. अगर x 1 से बड़ा है, दिस रफ वर्क इज ओनली फॉर मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड. ये 1 है और ये आगे 5 है. अगर x 1 से बड़ा है तो ये रहा x 1 से बड़ा. ठीक है, इसको हाईलाइट कर दिया समझाने के लिए. अब यहाँ पे q में x 5 से बड़ा है, तो 5 से बड़ा ये रहा. तो कॉमन रीजन क्या आया, 5 से बड़ा आया. So solution set for P intersection Q will be x greater than equal to 5, because greater than equal to 5 and x greater than 1 में x greater than equal to 5 is the common region. Let us make the number line as they have said, draw it on a number line. We'll be redrawing the same similar thing. Let's mark some points, 1 2 3 4 5 and say 0 here. Now when you have greater than 1 and greater than x equal to 5, our job is to highlight the common region, which is x greater than or equal to 5. Because 5 is also included, do not forget to make a filled circle here. This is your answer. The second question is P minus Q. The second question is P minus Q. P minus Q means writing or listing all elements of P not in Q. मतलब P के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, 1 2 3 4 एंड Q में है 3 4 5 6. ठीक है, ये दो सेट है. So in that case P minus Q will be writing all elements of P, but they should not be in Q. So when I am writing all elements of P, I am about to write 1 2 के बाद 3 4, but 3 4 are belonging to Q, so we will not be able to write it. They should be not in Q. So all elements of P लिखो. जो कॉमन है ऐसा इमेजिन करो, माइनस साइन है तो नलीफाई हो रहा है, एंड Q के एलिमेंट्स बाकी के 5 एंड 6 को इग्नोर करना है. बट अगर क्वेश्चन होता Q माइनस P, तो Q के सारे एलिमेंट्स लिखो बट Q P में नहीं होने चाहिए. तो अब 3 4 5 6 लिख रहे हो, लेकिन 3 4 तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होके कट हो जाएंगे, तो खाली 5 6 आएगा, एंड 1 एंड 2 को तब इग्नोर करना है. लेट्स ट्राई राइटिंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन. Let's try writing in this question P minus Q. So our P is x greater than 1 लिखा है, एंड क्यू में लिखा है x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 5, तो हमारा सोल्यूशन सेट क्या आएगा? सोल्यूशन सेट आएगा कि हमें p के सारे एलिमेंट्स चलेंगे, q के एक भी नहीं चलेंगे। तो x कैन बी ग्रेटर देन 1 बट इट कैन नॉट गो विथ 5 और बियॉन्ड 5, है कि नहीं? p के सारे लिख दिए और जैसे ही q शुरू हुआ उसके सारे एलिमेंट्स को इग्नोर कर दिया। q 5 से शुरू हो रहा था इंक्लूडिंग 5, तो 5 को भी इंक्लूड नहीं किया। लेट अस मेक अ नंबर लाइन एंड हियर 1 2 3 4 5 से 6 लिख दिया यहाँ, और यहाँ 0 भी लिखा है। सो फ्रॉम 1 to 5 you can highlight that region, make a dark line here, make a darker line here, and make open circle या unfilled circle at both places as there is no equality sign at any place. Next question is p minus q complement q dash, इसको complement पढ़ सकते हैं। So when you have p minus q complement, first we have to understand that if q is equal to x greater than or equal to 5, x belonging to R, then q complement will be exactly opposite region. So exactly opposite will be x less than 5, रियल तो रियल ही रहेगा। तो x लेस देन 5 हो गया आपका q कॉम्प्लीमेंट, ठीक है। एंड p तो सभी बच्चे जानते ही हैं, p हमें क्या आया था? x ग्रेटर देन 1, x बिलोंगिंग टू r। अब हमें करना है p माइनस q कॉम्प्लीमेंट, तो p माइनस q कॉम्प्लीमेंट में आएगा p के सारे एलिमेंट्स, तो यहाँ समझाने के लिए बना देते एक रफ लाइन। ये रहा 1, ये रहा 1 से सब कुछ बड़ा, ठीक है। ये 5 यहाँ है, अब हमें चाहिए 5 से सब कुछ छोटा यहाँ पे। अब क्या हो रहा है कि कॉमन एलिमेंट सारे कट हो जाएंगे, क्यू डैश के बचे हुए एलिमेंट्स को इग्नोर करना है, इसको इग्नोर करना है। ये आपस में नलीफाई हो गए, लेकिन p तो 1 से बड़ा है, तो ये जो रीजन है जो q के साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं था, q डैश के साथ, दिस विल कीप कमिंग। सो p माइनस q कॉम्प्लीमेंट आंसर विल बी ऑल वैल्यूज आफ्टर 5, बट q डैश वॉज विद लेस दैन 5, तो 5 भी इंक्लूडेड होगा। सो दिस आंसर विल बी x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 5, x बिलोंगिंग टू r। लेट्स मेक अ क्लीन नंबर लाइन, लेट्स redraw this. Let's write say 5 here. I'm just explaining, that's why I've written only one element. So 5 greater than or equal to चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे एक filled circle भी आएगा। So this was one question on intersection, subtraction. So when you have two sets, I think ये क्वेश्चन कर लो, थोड़ा एक आइडिया आ जाएगा। फाइन, so this is the end of linear inequations. Hope you have understood it.